Hey everyone, this is Jack Miller from Jack's Digital Ventures, and welcome to my presentation, The Laziest Way to Make Money Online. On today's agenda, we're going to cover what is the laziest way to make money online, how does it work, and my exact method, and how can you get started. Make sure to stay till the end because you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision, plus I also have a special free gift for you. Okay, so who am I and why should you listen to me? So my name is Jack Miller, and I've been working from home and making money online for the past 4 years. A while back, I was hit with some nasty health complications, and that was the turning point that made me look for ways to make money online. In my struggles, I tried various business models. Some of them worked, and some of them did not. But luckily for me, I was able to make enough money to support myself and my medical expenses. All from just a laptop and an internet connection. I was so inspired by my experience, I decided to start Jack's Digital Ventures. So, if you like videos about making money online, then feel free to hit that subscribe button to see more content in the future. But just a quick disclaimer. So I am an affiliate, so that means if you buy a course from any of my affiliate links in the pinned comment below, then I will make a commission. But this is at no additional cost to you, of course. But still, this video is going to be my honest opinion. I will strive to give you a balanced and honest video so you can make the most informed decision possible for yourself. Okay, so what is the laziest way to make money online? It's high-ticket affiliate marketing, and if you haven't heard of that, it's a business model where you sell other people's products for $1,000 or higher. And what I like about it is there's no need to create your own product, no need to handle customer service, no need to keep stock, and no need to hire staff. You can do this part-time or full-time. You can work from anywhere in the world. There's very low startup costs, and you can work anytime you want. You can even use this to quit your miserable 9-to-5 job, you can create passive income for yourself, and you can create time and financial freedom to do all the things in life that you love. So how does it work? And this is also my exact method that I'll describe for you. So first, you're going to become an affiliate. So what I do is I register for a high-ticket affiliate program that's selling a product that is high in quality, would potentially sell well, and would benefit my audience. Next, you're going to make your funnel. So what I do is I sign up for an online service that creates a lead magnet, a landing page, and an email sequence for me. When combined, this gives me a funnel, aka an enticing website that my prospects can go to get a free gift and receive daily emails advertising my affiliate products. Then I make video reviews. So I find products competing against the affiliate products I'm selling and create a video review about them. I do a full rundown of the product and give my honest opinion. At the end, I tell my audience about the free gift I'm offering and I encourage them to visit my funnel. Then, prospects find my videos. So, potential prospects find my videos on YouTube and watch my product review. I did not have to pay for prospects to find my videos, so this traffic is totally free. Then I make money. So after watching my video, my prospects go to my website, get their free gift, and enter my email sequence. Over time, they read the emails advertising my products and buy them, meaning I make money. Alright, that sounds great. So what if you wanted to make money with high-ticket affiliate marketing? How can you get started? And luckily for you, I have a free gift for you. And it's a free online course. So if you wanted to get started, you can take my free online course. You can get my free online course from the link in the pinned comment below, and it'll teach you everything you need to get started. Alright, thank you so much. I'm Jack Miller from Jack's Digital Ventures, and thanks for watching my presentation, The Laziest Way to Make Money Online. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more future content, and don't forget about my free gift in the pinned comment below. But Thank you so much for watching. You take care. Have a great day.